President Marcos reiterated his administration's strong resolve to bring former Congressman Zaldico to the Philippines. Marcos says Ko remains in the custody of the Czech Republic. He says they are taking all the necessary steps to bring him back. The president has directed the Justice Department and the Foreign Affairs Department to lead the coordination with Czech authorities. Ko was arrested last week in the Czech Republic for immigration violations. Here in the Philippines, he has been accused of massive corruption tied to alleged anomalous flood control projects.
Ang ganitong mga proseso ay may sinusunod na mga legal na hakbang sa pagitan ng mga bansa. Kaya't nangangailangan na sapat na panahon upang maisagawa ng tama. We will bring Zaldico home and we will do so in accordance with the law. He will answer to the Filipino people.